Welcome to the AI Genius Lab. Today we will learn what AI is. AI can help with coding video games. AI can help develop education. Now let's look at the screen and learn what AI really is and how it works.
Hi, my name is Roby and I will tell you about how AI works. Do you know what programmers are? Programmers give AI programming in a sort of steps called algorithm. AI are great thinking machines. Thanks for being here.
Thanks Roby, I will take it from here. Let's post this video to the world.